Okay, they're all on me, all on my lap. I'm sitting here in the bathroom, and they're all on me. Here's the white flat-faced copper-eye boy. Oh, I just wiped his eyes, so. And then here's the blue-eyed white boy. Yes, hi, pretty boy. And then here's my girl. Yes, oh my gosh, they're all climbing me. All on top of me. Here's another one coming. Come here. I know you guys all want to be up here. Let's all get up here. Let's all get up here. This is the blue girl. Yes, the big blue girl. Yes, oh my gosh, they're all up here. This is so cute. What? Come here, pretty girl. Come here, pretty blue cream. What? Oh, look at them. Look at them all. Come here, pretty girl. Come here. You come here too. Come here. Oh, let's all get up here. Let's all get up here. Oh, what are you doing? What? What's my girl? Oh, you guys are all up here. Yes, they're all up here. Yes, hi, pretty girl. They're all on my lap. I don't know how, but they are. Did you get that? You need to get off of here. Hi, Mommy. You decided to get up, huh? Okay, right. Enough playing. Hey, pretty boy. Yes, he is a very pretty boy. Yes, he is. Oh, he's a good boy. He's a fluff buffkin. Yes, he did just have breakfast, but he's a good boy. So, he's got a little bit on his face. I tried to wipe it, but yes, he's got a lot of coat. Very, very, very short and cobby and nice head and nice flat. Yes, he is a copper-eyed white boy. Yes, he is. Look at how good he is. There he is. He's a good boy. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Hi, pretty boy. Oh, you're a good boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Are you my good boy? Yes, you are. Aw. What are you guys all doing? The wild bunch? What are you doing? You need to get off my cow. Right over here. Okay, you probably shut it off, babe.